Welcome to Got Board Garage in the garage, and today we got to change some brakes on the good old Mustang, little 2007. Got my boy Shay here, you know, car guru, my man with the wrenches who actually knows what he's doing, because we all know I pretend I know what I'm doing, but we make it happen. So yeah, without further ado, I think we're just going to jump on into this.
Let me grab some gloves. You want some too?
Y'all know what time it is. Hey, big shout out to Harbor Freight, making everything that a rich man has affordable for a poor man. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, that feels good. Go in a little more, maybe.
We'll probably have to lift it higher just to get the jack stand under.
For sure.
I want to get it on the frame.
Okay, go back up.
I'm just going to go ahead and jack up the other side and just get it.
Okay, come down slowly.
Watch your hands.
Actually, let me do this. You watch that.
I got it.
No, you suck.
It's coming down.
Slowly. Perfect. That should be good.
Good?
Hey, do you want to leave the jack there?
Yeah, we leave it just like that. Safety first. Where are them brake pads at?
Come on.
What do you mean, what about them?
Tell them the type of brake pads we should.
They're just Duralast brake pads. We got some Duralast Elite brake pads. Obviously the front, since we're doing the front brakes. Hardware and all the moly coat is already provided.
Oh, so it comes with all the good stuff.
Yep.
Comes with everything we need. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo. Sheesh. Sheesh.
There's our moly coat. Put that there.
Sheesh.
And now I need that torque gun.
This one? This little guy?
You almost hit your car with it.
It's fine. Bloop.
Let's roll this guy out of the way. Alright, so let's see. Give me a 14. 13 or 14, let me see. I don't even know if that's it yet.
I'm confident, I'm confident, I'm confident.
I mean, it is it. That's top.
Oh, that's what you're trying to do. Big flathead?
Yeah, that'll work.
Big flathead. Big flathead.
Taking the old ones out. It has these little springs on them, so you just gotta break those springs loose. And then from there, the rest of it comes off. There's the old hardware.
Whoa. Out with the old.
This thing with a bungee cord. Keep the line safe. This one's actually staying pretty well, so I don't need it.
Yeah, we're playing a good balancing game here.
You have the same things on the back side, so repeating that same step from the front, but on the back now.
I was trying to get y'all a view. I don't think so. No.
We actually got decent pad left, but
they're making a lot of noise.
saying they're squeaky, so
Yeah, we're gonna put some new ones on here, and they don't stop that good. I ran that stop sign like hell that day.
Alright, so these are our brackets here. So they literally just sit and
Whoa.
you just press them into place. They're very picky, as you can see, so there's tabs on it, so you just gotta get those tabs around the actual bracket. Yep, there that one goes. And you always put the large end facing out. This one should just sit right in. Yep. Alright, so that's the same thing on the back side.
Clip. Oh, he's trying to touch my leg. He touched my leg. I hope that thing works. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. Is it? I don't know. It looks like it's going down.
Oh, no it is.
Yeah, it's compressing it.
Alright, so piston calipers are compressed. It's time for the brake pads. Make sure you get a little bit of brake grease. Sometimes it's called moly coat. It's just to keep from making sure they don't seize.
So it's very important that we know that this goes on the back of your pad, not on the front. Don't be stupid. Don't do something dumb.
Just spread it out a little.
Yeah, that's a good coat.
You don't want it too thick, but you want to good little coating, so.
Is that a good spot or no?
Yeah. Alright, so that side is in. So now, same thing on the other pad as well.
Pad number 2. Yeah. Yeah.
See, that's what the springs are for, it's so it presses in.
No, we just slide that caliper over there?
Yeah, when it decides it doesn't want to be a there we go.
There it goes.
There she goes. Top bolt. Bottom bolt. All right, side numero uno done. Let's throw the wheel back on.
Wheel coming in hot. All right, hit her.
All right, this side's done.
One side done. Woo!
Over to the next. Side numero dos.
Dang, he's already done with one. Oh wait, you didn't bring your light.
Oh yeah, that is one thing I forgot.
We did the same thing when we did the differential on the black one.
Did we really?
Yes, I drove around for like a week and couldn't find my light. It was on the back of the car.
Top bolt. And now you can remove both. Top, bottom. All right, caliper off. I'm gonna go ahead and just compress these while we're right here. I don't like that, but it's what we got to work with, so. And keep in mind, this is not what I would normally use. It works. Not ideal for sure, but it works. All right. All right, motherfucker.
Really? Really?
I have to get it off. Alright, all the old stuff's out. Let's go in with the new. Somehow an old one got in there.
Lighting the light, man.
What do you want me to do? Put your brakes on or pay attention to the light?
I need both, Shay. I need to put a headlamp on you, too.
Tell me looking like fucking Cyclops out here. Alright.
So yeah, this seems like a great time to tell you guys about Gotboard Garage. It's just me, Ashton, and my buddy Shay here. We're gonna upload a bunch of stuff of us working on cars. We used to do it back in the day, but you know, now we're unks and like, I don't know, it just seemed fun. I think that camera just stopped recording. I heard a beep, beep, beep.
Yep, it did.
Ruh-roh, Raggy. Shay is not having a good time. You already got the back end too?
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
How dare you ask such a question?
Oh, my bad. There we go. Perfect. Look at that.
I have so much grease on the end of these.
You're rounding that bitch out, buddy.
Done. done. Yeah.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you change the brakes on a 2007 Mustang. I didn't really do much. I played with the camera. That guy did it.
Not too bad. Pretty easy. Couple bolts, remove the caliper from the caliper bracket. After that, it's really just dealing with the actual brake pads and the brackets themselves. On this one, it is a little different because of those little spring hooks on the ends here that you can see. It does make it a little difficult to get inside of that caliper bracket when you are putting it on. Once I figure that out, it goes pretty quickly. The sizes, obviously on this one, it's a 21 for the wheel lugs, and then 12 on 12. The caliper bracket. It is a 12 mil. Those are really the only two things you will need for this job. Actually, you will need a caliper press. You can use a C-clamp. You can use one of the quick grips like we used. I do recommend either a C-clamp or the actual caliper press, but
that wasn't ideal.
What works, works. Calipers are pressed back in. Brakes are now put on. All we got to do now is lower the car, pump the brake pedal a couple times. She'll be good to go.
Woohoo!
That one was a little too fast.
It's a little quicker than my liking, but
my hands are sweaty, okay?
It's fine.
I had my hands in those latex gloves.
It's fine. I think that's gonna do it for
this video.
Yeah, 2007 Mustang. If you guys are changing brakes anytime soon on this thing, now you know how to do it. If not, thanks for hanging out. Drop a like, hit the subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
Peace out.